we have a translator here.
Téléphone? C'est le téléphone?
No, just translator, no phone.
Je vous conseille aussi, par exemple, la plus belle église, ou du moins l'église la plus haute de Paris, qui est l'église le Sacré-Cœur, qui a une vue exceptionnelle sur tout Paris.
I'd also recommend, for example, the most beautiful church, or at least the highest church in Paris, the Sacré-Coeur, which has an exceptional view over the whole of Paris.
We're at the Sacré-Cœur. There are so many people here.
Very nice views of the city.
Beautiful. We can see the whole city from on top of the stairs. The church is stunning. And we are out and about.
Beautiful day.
Parce que nous avons les 4 saisons en 4 heures, en quelques heures. Il fait froid, d'un coup il pleut, mais bien vous couvrir. Et afin de pouvoir vous promener dans les rues de Paris, et entre autres le long des quais de Seine. Et là c'est vraiment magnifique. Et toujours la journée comme la nuit, c'est deux choses exceptionnelles.
Because we have the Four Seasons 4H, in a few hours it's cold. Suddenly it's raining. But make sure you're covered up so you can stroll through the streets of Paris, including along the banks of the Seine. And it's truly magnificent. And both day and night, it's two exceptional things.
We're getting to see all the views. There's lots of people on this. And we're having to take turns with our seats, but oh, we're about to go under a bridge. Everybody screams and you go under a bridge. Ready?